Hello everyone. Luxury Mughal pattern in tents are always best selling, and we at Indian Tent Manufacturer will show you the amount of hard work requires to make such masterpiece. For the outer layer of the Mughal tent, we are using a waterproof canvas. We have dyed this inner lining into a beautiful grey tone for the perfect look. We will go forward with the cutting of the inner lining and then stitching these inner linings together. Canvas plays a very important role in a luxury tent. Our laborers are skilled enough to cut, stitch and finish these canvas into such masterpiece for long durability. We are using net for the curtains this time, and these net are very soft. They are being stitched properly, and now we are giving them a finishing for the perfect look. Now this print is for the pole covers. In a luxury Mughal tent, there are almost 12 poles. So we will be making these pole covers for these standing 12 poles. We usually do double stitching to the fabric for that long lasting durability. A beautiful valance with the print and a perfect border. Adding this heavy silk golden tassels to the valance for that perfect look. Our heavy MS pipe frames. Ta-da! Ready to go. Let's install it. So see how beautiful the luxury Mughal tent looks after installations. The lifespan of this Mughal tent can be almost 4 to 5 years. The frame is very durable, and thus you can have all occasions and events under this one roof. And to order such luxury tents, you can always contact us on www.indiantentmanufacturer.com.